My first experience with the big cat was when I went to Pench National Park. When I found out that the first tiger that I had seen in the wild had been poached, I really felt bad. Why is it that man has to always destroy nature? Why is it that our greed for money is so much that we can't spare another being? Who are we to take away life? So the first step that I took out to put out the point that we need to somewhere stop and think was through wildlife photography and filmmaking to reach out to the youth and kind of bring them into wildlife. I'm Aishwarya Sridhar, a wildlife photographer and storyteller. I was actually 8 years old on my first visit to Uran. We used to visit Uran for birding. There was so many wetlands, almost like 800 to 900 hectares of wetlands used to exist here at Uran. There's only one wetland that actually remains, and that is Panjay. So you can actually say that Panjay is the last remaining wetland of Uran. And I've actually seen Uran transform from being a birder's paradise to becoming a concrete nightmare. When I got to know that there was this 71 sluice gates that was installed by a company which dammed the inflow of waters into Panjay, I was really shocked. I took the media out there, clicked images with GPS data, sent them across to the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, to Mangrove Cell, to Konkan Divisional Commissioner, to all the environmentalists that I could catch hold of. The media carried these images along with the story, and finally, after a 10-day struggle, the gates opened, and today Panjay is resounding with bird calls once again. Apart from that, I've also received news that Panjay would very soon be declared a bird sanctuary. It was actually unbelievable when I got to know that the entire wetland was saved, because we were fighting against some of the biggest names in the real estate world. And at some point, people weren't taking me seriously because to them I was a little girl just blabbering something. But finally, when the gates opened, at that point, I really felt happy. And I felt like I had achieved some purpose in life, that I had helped save this beautiful wetland, which was home to over 250 species of birds. I would remind myself that if you give up now, then probably there is no tomorrow. You might never see Panjay again. I feel images can give voices to species, be it an ant or even a tiger. One image is actually worth 1,000 words. I agree that development is very essential for economic progress, but I feel it shouldn't be done at the cost of our environment. We need to maintain a balance, and that balance is very essential, because if we don't, then somewhere, I guess 80 years from now on, we won't be there. This is what you could have missed if a golf course came here. The part that I enjoy most about wildlife photography is because nature is unpredictable. Nature teaches you to love unconditionally. You may be just a small part in the universe, but your role is very vital. If you go into nature without any expectations, trust me, you'll get a lot more.